Good afternoon. Hi, it's Egypt Sierra. Welcome to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on my leg day. And I don't feel like going to the gym, so I will be doing leg day today, sadly. And you guys are gonna see how my leg day goes, and I'm gonna tell you the real. So I like to start all my workouts with a warm-up, and today I decided to do the Stairmaster, and I did this for 15 minutes. I like to start off at a level 8 and then I work my way up to finish off at a level 11. So when I first start at level 8, I do that for 5 minutes, and then at the 5-minute mark I change it to level 9. And then at the 10-minute mark, I change it to level 10. And then I go at level 10 all the way up until 14 minutes. And then I change it to level 11. And I do this because I like to get my heart rate to the highest rate. But you could start off at whatever level that is comfortable with you. All I would say is just make sure that you are challenging yourself. And I'm telling you, by the end of this warm-up, you are going to be tired. Okay, so now for my workout, we're ready to go right into doing sumo squats. I do 4 sets of 15 of this exercise. And as you can see, you want to make sure that your feet are more than shoulder width apart, with your feet pointed outwards just a little bit. And you're going to go down, and I don't stand all the way straight up. You can, but I feel as though you feel more of a burn when you don't stand completely up. You feel it more in your quads. And like I said, I do 4 sets of 15 to 20 of this, and trust me, you won't feel it in your quads. After this, I'm going to rest for 60 seconds. Now we are going to do a superset, and this is one of my favorite exercises. You really feel this one. We are going to do in-place lunges, and usually I do this with 15 weight dumbbells, but I was doing it at home, so I only had 3 pounds. So I do a total of 20 lunges. So as you can see, I'm alternating legs. I'm going to alternate legs for a total of 10 times. And then after I do 10 times, which would be 5 on each leg, I'm going to switch, as you can see, to just doing 1 leg. So I keep it at 1 leg for 5 times, and I do 5 times on each leg. And that will make it a total of 20 lunges that I will be doing all together. I like to switch to just doing 1 at a time, because then you really feel the burn more when you just are doing 1 leg at a time, because you were doing it back to back. Okay, so without taking a break, we're going to jump right into squat jumps. This is really self-explanatory. I mean, you can see all I'm doing is trying to get down into a deep squat and jumping up. It may look easy, but I'm telling you, this one really hurts, because at this point my legs are already on fire. So we are just going to do 15 reps of this. After you complete both of these exercises, you're going to rest for 30 seconds, and then you are going to do it all over again. I did this entire superset 3 times. I took a rest for 2 minutes before starting doing my squats on the Smith machine. So as you can see, I'm just going to get down into a deep squatted position. I like doing my squats on the Smith machine because I feel as though it gives me more control. And I started off with a light weight. I do increase my weight every set, and I do 4 sets of 15 of these squats. And as my weight goes up, I may change it lower down to 10 reps. After that workout, I took a rest for about maybe 5 minutes, and whoo child, my legs was on fire for this one. So as you can see, I'm doing the leg extension. I am doing each leg individually first. I do this 10 times, each leg 10 times, and then I do both of my legs together, and I do that for a total of 15 times. I do change the weight. Make sure you change the weight as you switch to doing both of your legs at the same time. So I'm going to do both of my legs 15 times, and that will make me doing a total of 25 leg extensions. And I am going to do 4 sets of this. And when I tell you I can't feel my quads after this, I can't feel my quads. After doing this exercise, I do take a rest for about 3 minutes, and then I move right into doing the leg press. And at this point, I know I said it last time, but my quads, actually, I really couldn't feel my legs doing this. So I have my feet shoulder width apart, and the key to this exercise is that when you go down, you don't want to lock your knees either way. Going down and coming straight up, you do not want to lock your knees. And when I do this exercise, I do increase my weight by 5 each set, and I'm going to do 4 sets of 20. I realized while I was editing this video that I did not film an outro, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this leg day. It's fairly simple, but it's very effective. You are going to feel it. Trust me, you're going to feel it in this. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, please. And leave me some comments of what you would like to see next from me.